this is for a video of my sickgram. By the way, get the new merch. A boy, a girl wristband. Actually, so there's 5 trucks actually. I lied. 6 actually, yeah, there's 6. He is Intros, the animated. Again. Grave digger. Ground, ground, ground. Ground, ground. Bum 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 bum. Grave digger. Dread, dread, dread. Dread, dread, dread. Punisher. These are the best of the best trucks that been coming here. Here, coming in the full show series. Lucas Oil Crustader is our last truck to pull out. And here is our good trucks that are the pros at MT Fairgrounds. These are all the pros that have been through the years of 2009 and 2020. All of the trucks that most won. And here they come to perform today. Last year, Lucas Oil crushed it in 2019. And Gravedigger. Stand for your national anthem. That is all. Who is ready for some monster truck racing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 7, 8, 9, 10 seconds for Hooligan. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 seconds. Not enough to get a lead from 10 seconds for Gravedigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 seconds for Dread. The other two trucks don't want to do racing because they already know Hooligan will win. They pretty much think. But here is Punisher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 seconds for Punisher. Time for two-wheel skills. Starting off with Punisher. Starting off with his nice size sky wheelie. They are one trick and that's it for Punisher. It is Lucas Oil. Want to do a bicycle? This is one trick, remember. Nice bicycle. That's going to be it for Lucas Oil. Not enough to get the lead. Vought Animated is up next. Nice skywheel lead. That was enough to get the lead. Up next is Hooligan, our racing winner. Can he beat Vought Animated? Nice air, but not enough to get the freestyle. Two-wheel skill lead. That was just air. Gravedigger. Oh no! Gravedigger won't even be doing it freestyle. Dread is our last free two-wheel skills. Can he be Vought Animated? Freestyles, no songs, and your winner is Vought Animated. Critter is not animated. Now, no more songs, just commentary and freestyle. Up first, it is Punisher. Will do a nice job. 2 minutes. Starting now. Starting off with some nice air. Hitting the ground hard as Punisher comes around. This is the first time Punisher is in the full show series. Punisher gonna hit this ramp hard. We haven't showed in 2019 or December. We haven't put a show on Diss Track 2 months ago, and here we are back with Punisher. And as he is doing a great run. Oh no. Barrel roll. Nice save. For Punisher. He's still going. He's gonna hit the big ramp. How's that flag still on there? Oh, wow. That will be Punisher freestyle. And he destroyed the car like heck. So, that's going to be it for Punisher. It's the 2-wheel skill winner, The Animated. Here he comes, starting his freestyle off with some nice air. Oh no, now he's running over, great. That's going to be it for The Punisher. Up next, it is Hooligan coming out. Here to freestyle. He's going to start it off right there. And as his time starts off with a nice job so far. They're gonna bring that truck right around. 2. And as Hooligan is going to do a 2, hit the wheelie aside of that ramp, he's gonna lose both of his wait, what? How did he not lose his flags? That usually always happens when the trucks do that. There's something wrong with his truck. So they're gonna RII him and re-RII him. So yeah, they had to restart the truck. To do it, nice job. Oh no, oh no, oh no, this is bad. This is bad for Hooligan. Can he beat Reaper? No, he cannot. Continue. So they're just gonna leave him there. That's gonna be it for Hooligan. Up next, it is Gravedigger. He's gonna start off with a backwards run, and he is just gonna try. He's just gonna get a wheelie backwards, and as he will continue his freestyle with some nice moves. Gravedigger continuing his freestyle. Wow, nice air for Gravedigger. Oh, snap. This is bad, this is bad, this is bad, this is bad. No, it's not. That's a nice save, actually. That could get the lead. in the Reaper. But he lost all of his flags. That is not going to give him a lead. Right into Hooligan, right? No. But he is going all over the place. They said something's wrong with his truck. So they're just going to park him. And they're going to park him, yeah. They're going to let him do one more trick. And that is run right in front of Hooligan and destroy his truck more. And that's going to get a truck pile up. They're going to leave both of the trucks there as an obstacle. Up next, it is Dread coming out. And why is Reaper punched there? Maybe Gravedigger did it. But back to Dread. Starting off with some nice air. Oh, yo! Nice save. And Dread is coming around here. The back foot ramp is blocked by the two of them. But nice air so far for Dread. Oh, he's all over the place. Oh, no! 2 saves. Has to get the lead from Punisher. Has to get the lead. Oh, that's going to get some points. Lost. But that's going to be it for Dread. They alright him. He took a little bit too much damage. So that's going to be it for Dread. Can he beat Punisher, Lucas Oil Crusader? And this is the last truck of the freestyle. So here comes Lucas Oil Crusader. Starting it off with some nice air. We haven't had a full freestyle yet. As here he comes. Lucas Oil Crusader. Killing it so far, but not enough to get the lead so far in the run. Lost his flag. Oh no! They saw fire under him. They saw fire under him. And that means we have a winner. Just hold on. Just hold on. Who's ready to see our winner? Punisher, 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 Patricia. Back flip. Yeah! Guys, we'll see you in the next one. Bye. Before we leave, do you want to see what the driver sees? Okay. That's it. His tire is stuck in the ground. Or maybe this is wrong. There he is. He's fired up. You can see him now. Let's go. Bye, everyone. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.